In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an avatar in a Zoom meeting. This feature can add a fun and engaging twist to your meetings, especially if you want to bring a unique touch to your virtual presence. So let's dive into the steps that will help you bring your digital persona to life. To begin, make sure you have the Zoom application open and are signed in. It's important to have the latest version of Zoom installed because updates often bring new features and enhancements, such as the avatar options we are going to explore today. If you're not sure, it's always a good idea to check for updates by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner of Zoom and selecting Check for Updates. Now, once you're in a meeting or ready to start one, the first thing you need to do is locate the video options. Look at the lower left corner of your Zoom window where you'll find the video camera icon. This icon has a small upward-facing arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will open up a menu with additional video options. In the menu that appears, you want to find and select Video and Effects Settings. This option will take you to a new window where you can manage different aspects of the video display and effects associated with your Zoom meetings. Within this new window, you will see a range of choices on the left-hand side, each allowing you to personalize your video settings in different ways. Next, look for the option labeled Avatar within these settings. Clicking on Avatar will open up a variety of unique and customizable avatars that you can use during your Zoom meetings. These avatars range in style and can often be adjusted to better suit your personal or professional preferences. Finally, it's time to choose your avatar. Browse through the selection available, and once you find one that you like, click on it to select it. Zoom will automatically apply this avatar to your video feed, replacing your real-life image with this new fun digital rendering. And there you have it. Your avatar is now ready to make its debut in your Zoom meeting. The avatar will mimic your movements and expressions, providing an animated touch to your conversation. Remember, avatars can be a playful way to communicate, but also consider your audience and type of meeting to ensure it's appropriate for the situation. By following these steps, you can enjoy the creative potential of using avatars in Zoom meetings. Whether for a casual meetup with friends or to bring a lighter mood to a work briefing, avatars can be a delightful tool to enhance your virtual communications.